Oh, the camera's right here.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay.
Hey y'all, it's Miora, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making a easy 15 to 20 minute spicy ramen. This recipe I got off of a couple of websites. So I just mixed them in together and used the ingredients that I thought would be the easiest to get. This is also really good because, you know, it's October, it's starting to get cold outside, and I don't really like spending a lot of time cooking, which is funny. But yes, I'll put all of the ingredients that I used in the description box below. And yeah, let's get started. Hey y'all. Okay, so today we're gonna get started. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna be using some sesame oil. I'm also going to be using rice ramen, which is gluten-free. I don't remember where I got this, but I think they have this at Whole Foods and at Pete's as well. It's gluten-free and vegan. We're going to use some low-sodium vegetable broth. This is gluten-free as well. You can use chicken broth, vegetable broth, as long as it's gluten-free, if that's what you're looking for. We're also going to be using liquid aminos. This is a substitute for soy sauce, so it just has a little bit less sodium. That is gluten-free as well. We're going to be using some chili sauce, really spicy. I'm going to be using scallions and a ginger knob and chopping all that up. A little bit of apple cider vinegar. And you're going to want to boil your eggs right before you do anything else. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna peel back the skin part of the root ginger, and then just cut a couple of slices. You pretty much need about 1 inch of the root ginger just to add that into the broth. And then you just chop it up into some pieces. They don't have to be really small, and then set that to the side. We're going to take these scallions and then just use the entire thing. You're going to just chop it up real quick and then set that to the side as well. Make sure you cut off the end, the little bit at the white part. But yeah, just chop all that up. So we're going to be bringing everything that we're going to throw in here to a boil. So we're going to start off with 4 cups of broth. And then we're going to combine our ginger, our garlic, our chili sauce, soy sauce, and the sesame oil in there as well. So after adding in all the ingredients, we're just gonna mix everything in and let this come to a boil. Okay, so we got this to a boil. Now we're going to take out all of our ginger pieces. It also said to take out the garlic, but that would be just way too much to do since the garlic is minced. So we're just going to take out all those big pieces of garlic and make sure that you don't have any left in the pot. So we're going to be taking our ramen pieces. I'm making 2 servings, so I'm going to use 2 blocks of ramen, and we're going to add that in there. The cooking time for this ramen was not that long. I can't really remember, but as long as you keep your stove top on like that medium high heat and cook it thoroughly, you'll be good. You'll be able to tell once it's done too. This ramen doesn't like break, and it's not grainy like regular ramen, so yeah, this is great. And now the best part, this is the part before we actually get to eat it. We get to present it. So we're just gonna pour a little bit of the broth and then put about half of the ramen that I have in there into a bowl. And then you can add whatever else you like in there. You could serve it like this, or you can add extras. I added in some some of the scallions. I added some seaweed, and then those boiled eggs that we boiled in the beginning. I tried to cut them up and place them on there as well, as you'll see.
You can have this anytime
That's the video. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Like the video as well. And I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you. Bye.
you choose.